So it's this past Sunday afternoon. You're chilling with friends, watching football, drinking some beers, and then boom! Out of nowhere, the crypto market nukes. You're wondering what the hell's going on. Crypto is usually pretty stable on Sundays. So you look it up and find out some Chinese app called DeepSeek has just been released, is a huge hit, and has somehow led to NVIDIA stock tanking and pre-market trading on a Sunday, and consequently, crypto has tanked as well. So in today's video, we're going to go over what the hell is this DeepSeek thing? Why is it so popular? Why did it cause the crypto market to tank? And most importantly, we're going to go over, will DeepSeek's release lead to an 18-month crypto winter sooner than expected? So without further ado, let's dive in. DeepSeek is both a desktop AI app and a mobile AI app for Android and iPhone, and it can answer questions using artificial intelligence such as, I am planning a trip from London to Cambridge, give me the best hotels to stay in, to give me a breakdown of the US housing market by city, to find me the smallest positive integer that can be expressed as the sum of two squares in two different ways. So it can answer more basic questions using artificial intelligence, and it can answer more advanced questions. Now, its debut Sunday was its debut in the United States, and it immediately, DeepSeek immediately overtook rival ChatGPT, that's basically the US version of this AI app, to become the top-rated free application in Apple's App Store in the United States. So it immediately shot to number one. The popularity was there. People were downloading it in droves. And since it's a Chinese product, AI, US-based stocks and crypto immediately dumped. NVIDIA, in pre-market trading on Sunday, remember the stock market isn't even open on the weekend. In pre-market trading, it went down 17% for $1 trillion company. That is massive. Now it's recovered a little bit of that, but it's still down 11% from its trading earlier in the day on Sunday. Bitcoin typically follows suit with large tech stocks like that. It went down 11% at exactly the same hour on Sunday. Now back to NVIDIA, the CEO, his net worth personally took a $20 billion hit when the stock tanked. And then check this out. When NVIDIA shed $3.4 trillion during the dump, that is more value than every other company in the United States except 13. So there's only 13 companies that are worth more than the $3.4 trillion that NVIDIA instantly lost on Sunday. And furthermore, all the rival US-based tech gurus, well, they checked out DeepSeek on Sunday, and they are giving it their stamp of approval. They are liking it. Sam Altman, he called DeepSeek impressive. Mark Andreessen, the founder of Andreessen Horowitz, he himself is arguably the most powerful VC in all of the United States. He called DeepSeek one of the most amazing and impressive breakthroughs and a profound gift to the world. That is a pretty glowing review. Pat Gelsinger, the former CEO of Intel, he credited DeepSeek's engineers with coming up with very creative solutions on limited resources. And then NVIDIA, the company as a whole, put out a statement saying DeepSeek is an excellent AI advancement and a perfect example of test time scaling. So the bottom line is customers are loving DeepSeek. They download it in droves. The rival professionals are giving it their thumbs up. So who isn't liking it? This product is a hit. And now here's the kicker. The Chinese did this on just $5.6 million of investment in computing power for its base model, compared with the hundreds of millions or billions of dollars US companies are spending on their AI tech. For example, Meta last week, they just said that they're going to spend an upward of $65 billion this year alone on AI development. That's $65 billion. Sam Altman says his company is going to be needing trillions of dollars of investment. What else do we have here? Trump just last week, he announced that the unveiling of a $500 billion Stargate AI program. And just last week, Sam Altman also said that his AI will eventually cure cancer. So it was only 5-6 days ago where the US was at the top of the AI world, and that just got flipped on its head instantly this week. And what makes this even more surprising is that China's original response to ChatGPT, about 2 years ago, the search engine company Baidu, they came out with an AI app that was considered a bust. It was a widespread disappointment, and people lauded the gap in AI capabilities between the two countries, US and China. Well, that narrative has obviously flipped on its head. Now, some question marks remain. Obviously, the $6 million budget, that is not the entire budget of developing the DeepSeek app. It is basically just the chip usage on its final training run, not the entire cost of development. But both sides do agree that that $6 million is a fraction of the cost for the same thing that the US firms have spent on their AI capabilities. So is this going to lead to another 18-month crypto winter much sooner than we expected? No, I do not believe it. Yes, meme coins are tanking a little bit more than I would have expected. Might be a little bit worrisome, but it's due to a variety of reasons. Yes, this is one of them, Nvidia's stock tanking. It's also due to Trump's meme coin sucking a lot of liquidity out of every other coin except Bitcoin. It's due to Trump, now that he's in office, that sort of became a sell the news event. The pumps were prior to inauguration. It's also due to Ansem, the famous Twitter influencer. He has turned bearish. It's also due to the LA fires. Remember, LA is probably the #1 US-based city for crypto people, so a macro event can have an effect on prices. It's a bunch of reasons. The good news is that February is statistically the third best month for the crypto markets. November is #1, April is #2, February is #3. That starts in 3 days, and then October is #4. So I am bullish. I think it's going to take a few more weeks, but I'm bullish. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'll be back later with a new video. Signing out. Catch you later.